In this particular video, we will look into compound eyes that are present in head region as well as the mouth parts which are present in head region. Now, talking of the compound eyes are the photoreceptors. The point to be noted here is that simple eyes or ocelli are also the photoreceptors present in head of cockroach, but in them image was not formed and image formation will be in the case of compound eyes. Now, these compound eyes are present as dorsal surface of head. Each compound eye is formed of very small hexagonal parts which are called as ommatidia or ommatidium, and each eye will have 2000 ommatidia present in them. Now, talking of the significance of ommatidia, each ommatidia will receive a part of the image, and that is how cockroach will receive several images of an object, and such a vision is called as mosaic vision. Mosaic vision is having more sensitivity but it has less resolution. This type of vision is common during night, so we can also call it nocturnal vision. After compound eyes, coming to the mouth, which is present in the case of cockroach. So, cockroach has biting and chewing type of mouth. There are 5 different parts that are present in the mouth. The first part is the labrum. Labrum is single in number and it is called as upper lip. Second part is the labium. It is also single in number and it is called as lower lip. There are structures which are called as labial palps which are sensory. These are present in labium, that is the lower lip. There is mandible present and a pair of mandibles are present. Mandibles are the structures by which cockroach grinds or incises whatever it eats. So we can say that it has grinding region as well as incising region. Next part is the maxillae. Maxillae are also present in pairs. Maxillae has maxillary palps which are sensory in nature. The function of maxillae is that it holds food together when cockroach chews it with the help of mandibles. Talking of the last type of mouth part, it is single and it is the tongue. Now, this hypopharynx or the tongue will lie in the mouth cavity, which is formed by the 4 mouth parts that we had talked about. And this hypopharynx can be called as median flexible lobe. After completion of all the parts of head region, we come to the next part, that is the thorax. Now, thorax has 3 segments. All the 3 pairs of legs will be joined to the thoracic segments. There will be 2 pair of wings and 2 pair of wings will also be joined by these thoracic segments. Now, the names of the 3 thoracic segments are: the first one is prothorax, the second one is mesothorax, third one is metathorax. Now, talking of the legs, as we had said that there are 3 pair of legs present, so each segment will have 1 pair of legs. The first pair of leg joined here will be called as prothoracic legs. Joined to mesothorax will be called as mesothoracic legs. Joined to metathorax will be called as metathoracic legs. So that means every thoracic segment will have 1 pair of legs. Now, talking of the wings, that are 2 pairs. So there are no wings which are joined to prothorax. So wings are absent in the case of first segment. The first pair of wings are joined to mesothorax and those are called as mesothoracic wings. Similarly, 1 pair will be joined to metathorax and those will be called as metathoracic wings. Now, mesothoracic wings, we can call these as forewings. These are given one more name, that is tegmina. Metathoracic wings are the hind wings. Talking of the structure or composition of these wings, so mesothoracic wings are opaque, dark and leathery. The function of mesothoracic wings is that these cover the hind wings or metathoracic wings when the cockroach is in resting position. So these are working as wing cover. Now, metathoracic wings. These are the wings which are actually used for flying, and these are transparent, light and membranous in structure.